Today I am going to show how to configure and connect the DJI Tello drone with an USB range Wi-Fi range extender like TP-Link. This is the range extender I purchased from Amazon. I will put the purchase link and its price in the description. This is not only a range extender, but you can use it as a router as well. So let's quickly unbox it now. The model number is TLWR902AC.
So this is the USB range extender. We have to connect the USB cable here, and
A LAN cable.
this is one charger and one USB cable. So let's quickly configure it.
First, we have to change the name of the Tello Wi-Fi and make it password encrypted, or we can keep it as it is without password. So first, power the Tello on and connect it to mobile Wi-Fi. Now open the Tello app. You can use the default Tello app or a better third-party app like Tello APB from Tello.
And now go to settings, Wi-Fi.
Remember not to put any special character in the Wi-Fi name, otherwise it may create connection issue later on. Now after Wi-Fi name and password update, restart the drone. Now turn on the mobile Wi-Fi. The drone will appear updated with the new name. Now connect it with that newly set password or without password. So it can be checked from here that the drone is working perfectly now with the new name and the set password. Now the first step is completed. In the second step, we will connect the router device with the phone Wi-Fi. Turning on the phone Wi-Fi and connecting it to the router device. The password can be found printed on the router body itself. Now the phone is connected to the router through its Wi-Fi. Now open your phone browser and type tplinkwifi.net. This is the local network address of the TP-Link device. Remember, this is not an internet address. It is the local address stored in the internal chipset of the router. Username and password can again be found on the router body. Tap on quick setup and press next. There are various modes we can select from as we want the router to be used. So we are selecting range extender mode here. Now at this point you may keep turn on the Tello already or turn it now. Tap refresh, the drone with the new name will appear. Select connect. A new page will open. Put the same password which was already set for Tello previously and then select customize. Tap the next button. The newly set configuration will be displayed now. Lastly, just press the finish button. It will take some time to progress till 100%. Now the router has been configured as range extender for Tello successfully. Now everything is done. Now we'll connect our mobile with the drone via the range extender. To connect, simply power on the Telo drone and range extender. Now turn on the mobile Wi-Fi and connect to the router as range extender. The range extender password, which was set as same as the Telo password. TP-Link Wi-Fi range extender. So this is the procedure. Now the Telo drone is connected with the router in range extender mode. Just try for a takeoff. One thing is to be noted that you can use the drone either in 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz as per your requirement. And 2.4 GHz is for better range as it has longer wavelength than 5 GHz. But use 5 GHz for better video or image transmission, but with lesser range.
A few moments later.